Yeah, personally, this is to clarify to all those who love the conspiracy and the heresy and the mix-up. This is to clarify to the item say, I not demand benefit, I not demand, because I feel say if ever it's not what your country can do for you, I strongly believe is what you can do for it. You see me? Yeah, and from your able you're supposed to contribute. You see me, and develop your nation and your race. And well, not even your race, but your people. You see what I say? Yeah, what I and I talk about is what right is considered for one human being because he's human being should be extended to each and every human as well. You understand me? No modern day rational mind free of bigotry, corruption and all of them things that would ever think to marginalize human life, value other human, especially himself and those of his caste above another human with basic human rights. So that me I talk about. Me not talk about your money where you have. I'm not asking you to come share that. See? I am talking where rights is availed to one man. I don't need no. You see, these things that's being done to Jamaican are being done in secret. A lot of workmates and colleagues I speak to and explain circumstances to them and they can't believe. You get me I talk about? Regular British people don't know that it's one law for Jamaicans and one law for the rest of the world. You get me? That is what I'm talking about. I'm not asking for handouts. You get me? Yeah. I'm saying at least the officials that we are paying should be able to advise us. Give the necessary advice that they were set up to give to regular are people that were considered regular by some. You see what I say? It's just natural. You know, see it. You can't consider one man say he's gonna be in need of blankets because it's coming winter. But you don't see the other man gonna be in need of blankets too. Why? Why? You tell me why. That's bigotry in all forms. Whether it be because of color, caste, or creed. It's bigotry. It's a sin and it's a big crime against humanity. You understand me? And these things are being used as legislative laws in Britain. These things were passed in Parliament. You know, see it? Yeah, that may I say. But mainly being practiced against Jamaicans. That me know, because I don't hear nobody else complaining. You know, see it? Yeah. So, you know, so I think and I feel that's the truth. You know, see it? I feel I am saying the truth. I'm speaking the truth. These things need to be reconsidered. These things need to be at least publicized, to be spoken of somewhere, somehow. Even if people know, I think it's wrong. Yeah. See, if you don't know already, it's conceited and wrong because you wouldn't like it for yourself.